The Smart Hash 2 is an upcoming compact electric SUV from Smart, designed to expand the brand's new generation of stylish, urban-friendly EVs. Building on the success of the Smart Hash-1, the Hash 2 is expected to feature a sleeker, coupe-inspired profile, emphasizing aerodynamics and modern design. Powered by advanced electric drivetrains, it will deliver efficient performance tailored for city commuting while remaining capable on longer journeys. Inside, the cabin is anticipated to showcase premium materials, digital interfaces, and smart connectivity features, aligning with Smart's focus on tech-savvy, eco-conscious drivers. Safety will be enhanced with driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping technologies, ensuring comfort and protection. The Chang'an Lumen EV is a stylish, compact electric city car developed by Chinese automaker Chang'an to meet the growing demand for affordable urban mobility. Measuring just over 3.2 meters in length, it is designed for easy maneuverability and parking in crowded city environments. Despite its small footprint, the Lumen offers a surprisingly spacious cabin with seating for 4 passengers, a minimalist dashboard, and smart connectivity features. Powered by Chang'an's lithium-ion battery packs, the Lumen EV comes in variants offering ranges between 155 kilometers and 301 kilometers, depending on configuration. Its efficient electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for daily commutes. Safety is supported by a reinforced body structure, ABS braking, and modern driver. The Lumen EV city car is a compact, fully electric urban vehicle developed by Chang'an to provide affordable, eco-friendly mobility for city dwellers. Measuring just over 3.2 meters in length, it is designed for easy maneuverability and parking in crowded environments, while offering seating for 4 passengers. Despite its small footprint, the cabin feels spacious, with a minimalist dashboard, digital displays, and smart connectivity features that enhance convenience. Powered by lithium-ion battery packs, the Lumen EV offers multiple variants with ranges between 155 kilometers and 301 kilometers, making it suitable for daily commutes and short trips. Its efficient electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, balancing practicality with performance. Safety is supported by a reinforced body structure, ABS braking, and modern driver assistance systems. The Hinox Trooper X is a rugged, all-terrain electric utility vehicle, engineered for durability, versatility, and eco-friendly performance. Designed with a reinforced chassis and high ground clearance, it is built to tackle challenging environments such as construction sites, farms, and off-road trails. Its electric drivetrain delivers quiet, zero-emission power while maintaining strong torque for hauling and climbing. The Trooper X features a modular cargo bed and seating options, allowing it to adapt for passenger transport, equipment hauling, or specialized tasks. Safety and reliability are enhanced with heavy-duty suspension, advanced braking systems, and LED lighting for visibility in tough conditions. Compact yet powerful, it balances maneuverability with load capacity, making it suitable for both industrial and recreational use. The Bao Yuanbao EV is a compact, fully electric city car developed by Beijing Automobile Works, BAW, to provide affordable and efficient urban mobility. With its boxy, minimalist design, the Yuanbao maximizes interior space while keeping the exterior footprint small, making it ideal for crowded streets and tight parking spots. Despite its size, it offers seating for 4 passengers, a practical cabin layout, and modern infotainment features. Powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, the Yuanbao EV delivers ranges between 120 kilometers and 200 kilometers, depending on the variant, with a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. Its lightweight build ensures energy efficiency, while the electric motor provides smooth acceleration for city driving. Safety is supported by reinforced construction, ABS braking, and essential driver aids. The AOVO G2 is a sleek, foldable electric scooter designed for urban commuters seeking convenience, portability, and eco-friendly travel. Built with a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, it balances durability with easy handling, making it simple to carry and store when not in use. Its 350W motor provides smooth acceleration and a top speed of around 25 kilometers per hour, while the 36V lithium battery delivers ranges of up to 25-30 kilometers per charge, ideal for short city trips. The scooter features 8.5-inch shock-absorbing tires, ensuring stability and comfort on uneven roads. Safety is enhanced with dual braking systems, LED headlights, and rear lights for visibility during night rides. A digital display keeps riders informed about speed, battery level, and mode selection. The Candy Collapsible Mini Golf Cart is a versatile, foldable electric cart designed for convenience, portability, and recreational use. Compact in size, it features a collapsible frame that allows easy storage and transport, making it perfect for golf courses, resorts, or private properties where space efficiency is important. Despite its small footprint, it offers comfortable seating for 2 passengers and a practical layout for carrying golf bags or light cargo. Powered by a quiet electric motor, the cart delivers smooth performance with 0 emissions, ideal for eco-conscious users. Its lightweight design ensures agility, while durable tires and suspension provide stability on grassy or uneven terrain. Safety and usability are enhanced with LED lighting, responsive brakes, and intuitive controls. The Segway Muxi is a newly launched cargo-capable electric bike priced at around $1,699. Designed for urban riders, families, and commuters who need both comfort and utility. It offers up to 80 miles of range, advanced traction control, and a step-through frame for accessibility. Key features of Segway Muxi: 750W rear hub motor, 80 Nm torque for hill climbing. Top speed, 20 miles per hour, Class 2. Switchable to Class 3 except in California. Battery and range, 717 watt-hours battery, up to 80 miles per charge. Regenerative braking system extends efficiency. Design, step-through frame for easy mounting. 20x3.0-inch tires for stability. The ZHIDUEV D2S is a compact, fully electric city car designed for affordable and efficient urban mobility. Produced by Chinese automaker Jidu Electric Vehicle Company, it builds on the success of the earlier D2 model with improved styling, comfort, and performance. Measuring just over 2.8 meters in length, the D2S is highly maneuverable, making it perfect for crowded streets and tight parking spaces. Inside, the cabin offers seating for 2 passengers with a modern dashboard, digital display, and smart connectivity features. Powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, the D2S delivers ranges of around 150-180 kilometers per charge, with a top speed of approximately 80 kilometers per hour, ideal for daily commuting. Its lightweight design ensures energy efficiency, while safety is supported by reinforced construction, ABS braking, and essential driver aids. The Kandi Electric UTV Cowboy E10K is a robust utility terrain vehicle designed for both work and recreation, offering zero-emission performance with rugged versatility. Built with a reinforced frame and high ground clearance, it is engineered to handle farms, construction sites, and off-road trails with ease. Its electric drivetrain delivers strong torque and smooth acceleration, making it capable of hauling loads and climbing tough terrain while remaining quiet and eco-friendly. Equipped with a 10 kilowatt-hours battery pack, the Cowboy E10K provides practical range for daily tasks and can be recharged conveniently. The vehicle features durable suspension, heavy-duty tires, and advanced braking systems, ensuring safety and stability in demanding conditions. A modular cargo bed and seating options allow customization for passenger transport or equipment hauling. The Tesway X9 AWD is a high-performance electric crossover designed to combine sporty driving dynamics with everyday practicality. Featuring an all-wheel drive system, it delivers enhanced traction and stability across diverse terrains, making it suitable for both city streets and adventurous outings. Its dual-motor setup provides strong acceleration and responsive handling, while the aerodynamic design ensures efficiency and style. Equipped with a large-capacity lithium battery, the X9 AWD offers ranges of up to 400-500 kilometers per charge, depending on configuration, and supports fast charging for convenience. Inside, the cabin emphasizes comfort and technology, with digital displays, smart connectivity, and ergonomic seating for 5 passengers. Safety is reinforced through advanced driver assistance systems, ABS braking, and reinforced construction. The Microcar is a futuristic 3-wheeled electric scooter concept designed to combine stability, style, and sustainability in urban mobility. Developed in Germany, it features a dual front-wheel design that enhances safety and balance, especially during cornering or sudden stops. Its sleek, modern aesthetic is complemented by a fully electric drivetrain, offering zero-emission performance tailored for city commuting. The Microcar is equipped with swappable battery packs, allowing riders to extend range conveniently without long charging times. With a projected top speed of around 80 km per hour, it is suitable for both urban streets and short intercity trips. The enclosed bodywork and ergonomic seating provide comfort, while advanced lighting and braking systems ensure rider safety. The BYD Raco is a 2026 electric K-car purpose-built for Japan's dense urban environments, offering affordability, compact size, and advanced EV technology. Measuring just 3,395 millimeters long and 1,475 millimeters wide, it is highly maneuverable in tight city streets while seating 4 passengers. Powered by a 20 kilowatts motor and BYD's renowned Blade battery, it comes in 2 variants: a 20 kilowatt-hours pack with 180 kilometers WLTC range, and a 30 kilowatt-hours pack with 300 kilometers WLTC range. Fast charging up to 100 kilowatts DC ensures quick turnaround for daily use. Inside, the Raco features a digital cockpit with a 1.2-inch touchscreen, minimalist dashboard, and efficient heat pump climate system. Safety and comfort are enhanced with reinforced construction, ADAS, Level 2 driver assistance, and optional heated seats. Priced from about $16,340 USD to 2.5 yuan million. It undercuts rivals like the Nissan Sakura, while offering faster charging and modern cabin tech. The AOVO e-Moto is a modern electric motorcycle designed to deliver eco-friendly performance with sleek urban styling. Built with a lightweight yet durable frame, it balances agility and strength, making it suitable for both city commuting and short recreational rides. Its powerful electric motor provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling, while the lithium battery system ensures efficient energy use and practical range for daily travel. The e-Moto features sport-inspired aesthetics, including aerodynamic bodywork, LED lighting, and a digital dashboard that displays speed, battery status, and riding modes. Safety is enhanced with front and rear disc brakes, shock-absorbing suspension, and stable tires for reliable control on varied road conditions. Quiet operation and zero emissions make it an environmentally responsible alternative to traditional motorcycles. The Wuling Bingguo EV is a stylish compact electric hatchback introduced by SEC GM Wuling as part of its push into affordable, modern urban mobility. With a length of around 3.95 meters, it offers more space than micro-EVs like the Hongguang Mini, making it practical for small families while remaining easy to maneuver in crowded cities. Its design emphasizes a rounded, retro-modern aesthetic, appealing to younger buyers seeking personality in their cars. Inside, the Bingguo EV features a digital cockpit with dual screens, minimalist controls, and smart connectivity options. It seats 4 passengers comfortably, with thoughtful storage solutions and a bright, airy cabin. Powered by Wuling's lithium battery packs, it offers ranges between 203 kilometers and 333 kilometers, depending on the variant, with a top speed of about 100 kilometers per hour. Safety is supported by reinforced construction, ABS braking, and driver assistance features.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.